Hello everybody and welcome to my cooking channel. I think it's time for a second video. This one is going to be completely in English. I already did this one for the paella in Spanish. Today is raining, but we're going to go to a little Korean market that they have nice seafood, and I'm going to cook a nice paella and I'll show you step by step. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So some people think that there's only one recipe for paella, but that's not true. Paella depends on the region of Spain. They have paella valenciana, paella mixta, paella, like different kinds. I say that you can make your own recipe because there's that freedom. You can take that freedom and make your own. If you want only vegetables, there's also vegetarian paella. The one I'm gonna make is the mixed, and I'm gonna put some chicken, mussels, shrimp, scallops, and I think that's it. If I find them, if I don't find something, I'll just substitute for something else. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. You need arborio rice. You need an onion, which I don't have. I forgot to buy it, so I'm gonna use some saffron. Later I'm gonna put some asparragus, pepper, 1 lemon, some garlic, chicken, the sweet peas, petite peas, raw shrimp, mussels, and scallops. I think that's all we're gonna use, and oil. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the mussels. I don't use water, so yeah, I use chicken broth because it has a better flavor. So the first thing, put them to cook. Second thing I'm gonna do is cook the chicken. So we're gonna add some olive oil, adobo, goya. Kind of fry the chicken. So in the meantime, while this is getting cooked, I'm gonna chop a little bit of peppers and the onion if you have it. So what I do is I chopped the peppers and the garlic, and if you have the onions, do it too. I'm just gonna dump it into the chicken. So that's all for the flavor. So just dump it in there and let it cook. And we're gonna save this chicken for later because now we're gonna prepare the scallops. That's the next step. Alright, so let's recap up to now. Mussels boiling for about half an hour. Chicken frying in olive oil for about half an hour. Now I put all the peppers and the onions and the garlic. But I'm just gonna set it aside. Leave it there because I'm gonna prepare the scallops. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna heat another pan, and I am going to brown those scallops. So for that, of course, you gotta use the grapeseed oil because that's the one that doesn't burn so quickly. A little bit, and butter. How about I don't know, this much butter, and just let it melt, let it heat. The way you're gonna cook the scallops, you're gonna keep this hot because the scallops are frozen. Let it cook on one side almost to, I wouldn't say burn it, but brown it. One little secret that I can tell you is that if the pan gets too hot, you can always add wine. A little bit of wine cools down everything. So you have to fry them kind of like this. The same with the shrimp. Now you cook the asparagus in the same butter. So this you are gonna cook just for a little bit until they're soft, okay? Don't overcook this. What I do with the saffron is I take about this much and I break it up, kind of do this and get into like a powder. I'm putting in the chicken because the chicken has the oil and the sofrito, which is this the peppers and the onions and all that. So I'm putting it back into this. It's not a paellera. You should have a paellera, which is a large pan. But I cook it in this kind of like a deep pot that it's alright. It's not the traditional way, but who cares? I'm you know, like normally I make the easy recipe. Now we're gonna put in the rice. 1 cup of rice, and also to the saffron. Try not to put it all in the same spot because you need to spread it all over the place and mix it. And you'll see. I also put some turmeric. Gives us a nice color. See, this is what I mean. You can make your own twist to. This is turmeric. A little bit, about, I don't know, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon. Then I do some cumin also, just because I like it. Not too much because it tends to have a strong flavor. But you know, mixed in there, it gives it a nice kind of like Mediterranean taste and smell. And we're gonna, I forgot, I don't know if I told you, but we have to put a little bit of lemon juice, which I have here. So that this is, I learned on YouTube that this opens up the rice. It's like a little bit of acidity so that the rice cooks better. And one thing is, like, you want to mix this rice well while it's still hard, you know, like this, like raw. You don't want to mix it too much, stir it too much when it's cooking later, because it's just going to break up and have a wrong effect. So the rice is there. I'm going to add about a cup of wine, white wine, any white wine. So this is half. And stir it again so that everything gets. The pan is hot, so you don't want to burn anything. So you can cool it down. Then you put the other 1.5 broth of the broth that you were cooking the mussels, so it has that taste. Alright, so in total is 2 cups of liquid. Okay, again, half a cup of wine, 1.5 of broth. So now we just stir it one more time, and now you let it boil, and then you cover it. Taste a little bit. Good. Now let it boil. Turn it up. Cover it. I'm gonna cover let it, when it's boiling, we're gonna turn it down to low. And later, we're gonna add all of these. Okay, now that it's boiling, I'm gonna turn it down to low, the lowest setting that I have on this stove. And as soon as it comes down in temperature, I'm gonna add the vegetables and the seafood. Well, now that the temperature came down a little bit, I am going to add, still boiling, but not as much. I'm going to add the seafood, bam, and the vegetables, bam. And I'm gonna mix for the last time. So now we don't touch it. Let the steam do its thing. We don't touch it anymore. Cover it. Leave it on low. Now is when you start cleaning up all this mess. And that's it. We'll see the final results, the final product in a little bit.
Very good. I love it.